Hey everyone, I've got a rough full. This fan blower motor is not working. This is working only high. When you put on high it works, but it won't work on low or medium. But I found out that the blower motor resistor is that condition. It rusted, moisture and rust. That's not working any longer. We order a new one. I got a new one right here. Let's insert the back. Got this blower motor nice and brand new, nice and shiny. I'm gonna put it on and see if it's work. Yeah. Alright, let's find out the truth. Okay, start the car. Bingo! Working. That's low. Low in air. Low in air. Air. High air. It's working. That's working. That's working. That switch was faulty. That's because that moisture get in there and got rust, and eventually that's not working. That's how you diagnose and find the problem in this car on RAV4. Thank you.